Hey guys, Stephen Maxwell with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Gravity Toy Hauler 3640. Let's go take a look. All right guys, on the front of this Gravity, we are going to have a Rotaflex hitch. That's going to be a really nice setup, make it a little bit more stable on those long hauls going down the road. This Gravity is going to be set up with the LCI electric auto level. This is going to be an awesome thing to have. It's going to take you about half the amount of time to set up once you get to the campground. On the door side of this Gravity, you're going to have your pass-through. That's going to give you access to winterizing your RV as well as your battery cutoff with a little bit extra storage. Right next to the door, you're going to have two waterproof speakers that are going to be down low, give you a little bit more centralized sound so you're not playing music for the whole campground. The entrance door is going to have a 4-step solid step system. It's going to be really nice, give you a sturdy entrance to your RV, and it is also adjustable for height. Above my head, we are going to have the electric 12-volt awning. That is going to have auto rain dump, so if it does start raining on you in the campground, it'll dump that water off to one side. You're not going to have to worry about it. This Gravity is also going to have an outdoor kitchen that's going to have a 2-burner Flame King stove with a mini fridge outside for juice boxes for the kids or maybe some of those adult juice boxes for the dads. Back a little bit further, we are going to have the entry to the garage. It's going to have its own screen door as well and its own fold down aluminum steps. The garage on this Gravity is also going to have an option for the garage door to be its own patio. It has its own gate that goes all the way around, gives you a little bit of space on the exterior of the camper that's not quite on the ground. It's going to be a great feature. Walking into the garage, you're going to have 2 couches on both sides. Those do turn into sleeping areas if they are needed. And there's also a queen bunk right above my head that can lower down to about eye level to give you 2 full queens in the garage. Walking in from the garage, you're going to have a nice large kitchen. It's going to have a U-shape area for the countertop, so nice nook area to have breakfast with the kids or a little bar. You also have 2 swiveling stools that give you plenty of seating area. To the right of that, you're going to have a 3-burner Furrion stove with a propane oven right underneath. And right behind me, you're going to have a deep basin stainless steel sink with a nice little shelf above that. Give you plenty of area to prep meals, clean dishes, whatever you're going to need it for. Right above the entry to the garage, you are going to have extra loft for a little bit more sleeping area. The fridge in this kitchen is going to be a Dometic propane and electric. So that is a really nice feature to have on some toy haulers. You have dual purpose. If you're off grid, you can run it off the propane. If you're plugged to power, you got plenty of power to run that fridge. Moving on to the living room, you're going to have a large couch that has a recliner on both sides with USB power on each armrest. The entertainment area in this toy hauler is going to have a nice large Summit TV. Right below that, you're going to have an awesome JBL sound system with its own subwoofer. And before you head into the bedroom and bathroom area, you're going to have an area where you can access all of your controls for this RV, from slides, lights, all of your sensors on your tanks, as well as your fuel management system. You can also start your generator here. Once you decide to get it installed, this unit as sits is generator prepped. The bathroom in this Gravity is going to give you a full stand-up shower with a skylight. You're going to have your RV toilet angled in so that you have as much space as possible. You're also going to have your solid surface countertop with your vanity. Bedroom is going to have a very large bed in here with plenty of storage. You're going to have shelves right above your bed that are going to give you plenty of space. Right next to the bed on the bedside table, you're going to have a wireless charger for your phone with a little bit extra storage. And the slide out in the bedroom is going to have a nice little desk area with some more storage. Next to the desk, you're going to have plenty of hanging space for all of your clothes.
Awesome.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for the Gravity. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and if there's any other RVs you want to see, please comment below. And always remember, the fun starts here.